There are further AutoCAD courses in the library that you can take. However, make sure that you've taken the prerequisite courses first. This is the Learning AutoCAD course and this course, the AutoCAD Essential Training course. AutoCAD has 7 specialized toolsets, including electrical, mechanical, and architecture. Now, these particular toolsets are all based on the AutoCAD technology. However, do the prerequisite courses first, then you've got all your base AutoCAD knowledge in place before you attempt the toolset courses. Learn the basics and the essentials of AutoCAD first, and then go on to the AutoCAD toolset courses in the library. You'll find those toolset courses in the library, and they're normally named AutoCAD electrical toolset, AutoCAD mechanical toolset, and so on. You'll find those in the library, but please make sure that you take the Learning AutoCAD and the AutoCAD Essential Training first. Otherwise, you'll find the toolset courses won't do what you want them to do. You won't understand the basic AutoCAD methodologies that you need in place before you take the toolset courses.